Every journey begins long before the destination. It starts with excitement, quiet preparations, and the hope of making memories we'll never forget.
I'm Mateo and I'm just playing. So bye-bye.
This time, our adventure would take us to one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines, Boracay. The road to the airport felt ordinary, yet every kilometer brought us closer to something we'd been looking forward to see for weeks. There was something special in the air. Maybe it was the excitement.
Hi guys, we're at the airport and we're going to Boracay.
Maybe it was knowing that for the next few days, time would belong to our family. Watching the world grow smaller beneath us reminded me how every adventure begins with a single decision to go.
Hey guys, it's me, Mateo. Do you forget me? Nah. Bro, guys, we're going in here. Look at that. We're actually going in here.
And then there it was, white sand, crystal clear water, and a gentle sea breeze welcoming us to paradise. The beauty of Boracay wasn't just in its famous shoreline, it was in the laughter that echoed across the beach and the smiles that needed no words. Some memories aren't created by grand adventures. Sometimes they are found in the simplest moments. Walking barefoot, building sandcastles, and watching the waves roll in. Of course, every journey deserves a little adventure. Muddy roads, open skies, and laughter made every turn unforgettable. From meeting amazing animals to sharing meals by the river, every stop became another chapter in a story we'll always cherish. As the sun slowly disappeared beyond the horizon, we realized that the best part of traveling isn't simply seeing new places. It's discovering that home isn't always a place. Sometimes it's the people beside you, wherever the journey leads. Thank you, Boracay, for giving our family memories we'll carry with us long after the footprints in the sand have disappeared.